I like this question a lot because it's asking us for a specific value on the number line, but the statements are only giving us differences. Look at these statements. They're giving us the difference between the most expensive and the least expensive, the difference between the most expensive and the second most expensive. So we're given these distances on the number line, these gaps among the data points. But what we don't have is any way to orient ourselves on the number line. I know how far apart the tick marks are, but I don't know where they are relative to 0 or relative to any other number on the number line. Are we in the millions? Are we in the hundreds? There's just no way to tell, and therefore the correct answer here is E. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.